Hi, let me show you how to use cleanup tool in Photos on iPhone 16e. So basically, this is new Apple Intelligence feature which allows you to remove objects from photos. To test it, let's go in Photos app and select, for example, this photo. Now we need to click those three lines on the bottom for editing and tap on this object eraser icon. So give it a few minutes to load, and after that you should see that you can tap, brush or circle what you want to remove. Pinch to pan and zoom. So let's remove, for example, earphones from the photo. For that I'm gonna draw it like that. Now let's wait a few seconds and let's try it again with a smaller area. For example, like this. Yep, now we can wait a few seconds, and as you can see, object has been successfully removed. We can also try to remove shadow. And this is the result. So if you decide to use it on a person, then you can like pixel face. So let me show you. This is like safety filter. Pick up this cleanup tool again, draw around the face, and you should see this info safety filter applied. So it is like pixeled. And yep, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.